Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today I am finally reviewing this headband wig. I've been wearing it religiously, literally every single day for the last 2 months. And I didn't want to do a review on it until I really wore it. And now that I've worn it, I have some pros and some cons about it. This wig is from Unice. I'm sorry, I don't know how they pronounce it, but I've heard people say Unice hair. So it's actually my very first headband wig. I saw, I think it was on Instagram. I saw someone wearing one and I was like, oh, that is perfect because it's fall, we're going into winter soon, and I don't really like to wear out my hair that much in the winter time. It's just, it's tedious, it's a lot. And the longer it grows, it's just more tedious. And I feel like with everything being so busy, it's just so much easier to have something that I can easily put on and take off, because I don't really like wearing like sew-in or like lace front type things, because I like to be able to take it off and like feel my head and let my hair breathe and moisturize my scalp and do all that stuff. So I thought, yeah, the headband wig might be the thing to do. So first and foremost, this video is not sponsored. I paid for this wig with my own money. Because I literally just wanted a protective style for the winter that I wasn't gonna have to do a lot to. I needed everyday hair. I needed hair that I could just get up and go, I could work in it, and I could transition from like work to maybe hanging out with friends, even though we're not really doing much of that, you know, but you know what I mean. So let me give you some specs on it. This is 14 inches. I didn't want it long, as you can see. Just about like just above armpit length, like that. The density is 150%. I will tell you this, when I took the wig straight out of the box before washing it, before doing anything, the con, but this is with all wigs, I feel like, you know, you get that wiggy smell. So I did like a co-wash. I put some of my Cantu moisturizing mousse in it. I didn't want anything stiff. The hair is super soft. This is human hair, guys. Super soft, and it doesn't feel rough. It's just, yeah, it feels effortless. I'm not even gonna lie. Half the time I don't even realize that I'm wearing it. Like, that's how natural it feels to me. It just doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my head. It's easy to style. And I've been wearing it exactly like this, like off to the side, because I'm more of an off to the side kind of side part girl. So a few things came in the box. This is not the headband that came with it, but something came with it. It was like blue. I honestly have no clue where it is because I've never worn it. It came out of the box, but this I had already, but it's just a headband. So if you want to change up some of the styles or whatever, but I haven't worn anything else except just the way you see it here. They also gave me some lashes. I haven't even taken these out. Those are big. Anyway, they give you a pair of lashes. They give you a pair of nail wraps. Again, something else I don't really use. And they gave you like clips and bands and stuff like that, I think. Or I think this was it. I don't remember, guys. I don't care. Honestly, when I got the hair, I was just so excited for it. I put it on straight out the box. It looked so natural on me, so I loved it. Let's see, I kid you not, I've been wearing this wig every single day for work. I'm a massage therapist by trade, and I don't put my hair up in a ponytail or anything. I literally leave it down the entire time I'm working. It doesn't get in my way because it's not super, super long. And it's super light, but it's full enough that it doesn't look like there's too much hair, but it doesn't look like it's really sparse. You know how some wigs, they look fake because there's not enough hair, or there's too much hair and you got this weird like bump looking thing up here? Nothing like that. Like, it is so soft and effortless, guys, I'm telling you. And all I do to refresh it every few days, maybe once or twice a week, I wet it, do like a little co-wash, and then I rake the Cantu moisturizing mousse through it, let it dry overnight. I get up the next morning, put it on, and I literally just do this with my fingers to fluff it. I try not to fluff it too much because what I do find is as the days continue, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. It's just it's a curly girl thing. So I'm totally cool with it. I love it. So those would be all the pros. Oh, let me tell you the name of it. You can tell this is the first time I'm reviewing anything. So it doesn't have a name, it's just this one here. I thought it was just so nice. I wanted a curly wig. I didn't want a straight one because I didn't want to have to straighten it or curl it or do anything like that every day. I just wanted to be able to put it on and go. It's the Betty U series, I can tell you that much. No lace front wig, Betty U series, so if that helps. I paid $117 Canadian for it. The shipping was free, so I just paid $117. $117 and like 15 cents. Again, like I said, the length is 14 inches, the density is 150, and is there a color? Let me see if I chose a color. No, there's no like 1B, 2B or anything. It's just this, which is like, I would say it's not black, it's more of a 1B kind of color, like brownish, blackish color. Shipping was great. I ordered it August 24th and it came within a few days because that was like I think the Friday before, and I got it the following week, so I was able to wear it that next weekend. I like how Unice hair, even though I'm a little bit annoyed by the notifications now, but at the time, I love the fact that they notify you, they let you know, hey, your package is on the way, and then when you get it, they say, hey, we see you've received your package, whatever. You know, I think the extra attention to detail is really cool, so I like that. I'm definitely gonna get another one, and even when I don't refresh it, it still looks great. The only con I have for this hair is that this side, for some reason, after a few days, it gets so matted. I guess because it's just rubbing up against my jacket, because I'm usually like this, or when the wind blows, my hair is usually back like that. It's not usually all towards the front like this. So I think that might be the cause of it. So I'm definitely gonna get another one. I wanna get a longer one for like maybe other occasions, not really for work so much. So just to show you, this is the band. I actually fold the band because the band is actually like that. I just think it's a lot. Like, I like the edges to show. It looks more realistic that way. So I kind of fold the band over. And there's a comb here, and then there's a comb in the back, and then there's the strap that goes right around and velcros at the back and slightly adjustable. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend this hair in particular, and headband wigs, especially if you're growing out your hair. Underneath this, my hair is just cornrowed back, and yeah, all I really do is, you know, refresh it, moisturize it. Ladies, make sure underneath your wigs you're moisturizing. Check out these other videos here for some more great content. Comment, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.